Hey everyone, welcome back to Android Games Review. I hope you all are doing well and I wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. So, since Christmas is around the corner, and in case you don't know, this is my favorite time of the year, and I was very excited to talk about this game specifically. So, today I am here to talk about this game which is called as Pocket Builds. This is a part 1 of the review. In this review, I will not be talking a lot about the game. I just want to show you everything that I have created. But I'll just give you a summary of this game. So, Pocket Builds is basically an open world sandbox game where you can create your own world. You get all the items here in terms of buildings, paths, pathways, structures, bridges, animals. So there's all of those things which you can use to create your own world, and the best part about this game is that everything is absolutely free. There are few things that you can purchase, but whatever stuffs are available for free, they are more than good enough. So I'll just show you what I have created so far. I've been playing this for the past 2 to 3 months, not consistently. So anyways, this is the game. This is my world. So I have created everything from the scratch. This is the name of the world, which is called as My Future. Specifically, I will talk about this part in the second review part. But for now, I just want to show you what I've created in terms of Christmas. So this is what I have created. You have Christmas tree, then you have all these gift items and accessories. There are lamps. This is the first part that I have created. This is the second part I have created. You can build everything, even the land structure. What kind of land do you want? What kind of trees do you want to plant? Or the different types of houses which are there, different types of lights which are there. So this is the second part that I've created. This is the third part that I have created. I'll also show you the night view, and this is the final part. This section of the area is which I have developed or designed was revolving around the Christmas theme. I have other areas as well which are here, so I'll talk about this in the next part of the review. For now, I'll just show you the night view. Okay. No, I want the night view. Okay, fine. So this is the night view, and the visual effects, animation, everything is so cute and adorable. And I think the most amazing part of this game is that all of these resources which are available, they are free. So it's like you don't have to pay anything. You can support the developers, which is if you want, you can do it. But other than that, whatever is available in the game for now, so this is everything that I have designed, and I had a great time playing this game. Just look at the combination of lights, and here is the main Christmas tree. So this is my world. Now I'll just show you what are the things that are available. So I'll start from here. These are the land structures that you can select. Again, different type of placements that you want. Then these are the different types of fence that are available. Then we have different type of pathways. We have bridges. We have entrances. We have supports. I will talk about some more stuffs in other part of the review. Okay, these are the types of houses that you have. We have fantasy houses, we have modern houses, then we have western kind of house, we have farm related house, miscellaneous, then we have something related to these stuff. The more you explore according to your wish, you will find something interesting. This part and the light part are my favorite sections, because the light part looks so real. When you place them, it looks amazing. So this is the plants, different types of plants we have. We have different types of crops, trees, corals, pots, rocks, mounds. Different types of lights, different types of furniture, modern props. So I cannot describe. There are so many variations that are available, and it's up to you how you use your creativity and your imagination to create whatever kind of world that you want. Then we have explosives, goblins, we have different structures of water, we have some castles related things as well. So you don't need to stick to a particular format. You can have modern, you can have something related to medieval period, you can use a combination of them. Then we have boats, different types of boats are there. Then this is again pretty good. We have different types of characters, we have different animals, and whatever stuff you place it, okay, on your design, those are the things which get animated. So it is not like, you have just placed that component or element and you can leave it there. It gets animated. We have butterflies. Some of the stuff we have to unlock them. That's a different part. I have not done that. In spite of that, not doing that, I am still enjoying the game. So these are all the items. We also have some holiday related items. So this was related to Halloween. Then we also have something related to Christmas. And these are the elements that I have used in my design right now. So okay. So this is my Christmas world. So basically what I feel is that if you are looking for some open world game where you can use your imagination, you can use your creativity to design a world of your choice, you can do it here, and there is no restriction or limitation. So far I have done this much, and I can improvise it, I can delete anything if I want. I also have this part which I will talk about in the second part of the game, second part of the review. But I have to say that you need to try this game because it is super addictive, it's really fun, and it's very entertaining. I can sit on this game for hours without realizing how time flies, because it is so entertaining. The background music is also very nice, as you can hear. Visual effects are something which is very underrated. Like, just look at these effects, and the time, the first time when I saw these things are getting animated and this kind of visual effect, it felt very real, and it was a very beautiful experience that I can create a world of my own choice. And for those who already know how much I love Christmas, that entire vibe of Christmas, and something that I really wish to see in the nearby future, because I never got to celebrate it the correct way. So for me it was a very good opportunity to bring all my desires into reality. So I created this world, and I still have a lot to create. We have someone swimming here, okay, and this one is my favorite part. So yes, you can give this game a shot. It's completely free, fully entertaining, and trust me, you'll have a great time. And this is the first part of the review that I am mentioning here. In the second part, I would like to talk about the difficulties or challenges that I faced while playing this one. So until then, I hope you all have a great time, and just give this game a shot. You'll absolutely love it. And once again, a Merry Christmas to everyone, and hope you enjoy your holidays.